When I'm on my way to the joinery shop, I actually get really excited, getting in my van, driving down the road, 4 or 5 minutes, open the shutters up, and I'm there in my paradise. My name's Gary Banks, and I am the director of Banks Carpentry, and I've been in this industry for around about 20 years. Along that line, I've probably done every type of carpentry there is, from veneering, shuttering, roofing. I am literally like a Swiss Army knife because I'm doing the designing, we're building it, we're assembling, we're fitting, we're spraying. I'm always there on each step. I found what I love most, and that's the wardrobe making, furniture making, the more bespoke works, I would say, and less messy building sites. I actually got into carpentry from a really young age. My dad was like a general builder. My earliest memory was building like little wooden boats, and we put them in the bath. It was a nice bonding thing we had between us, just learning different aspects, of carpentry, which I fell in love with. So I knew my path for my life to be a carpenter and joiner. You really need to have a team around you that you can rely on. Not just my own team, but obviously you've got other trades working in the job site with you as well. Sometimes all of our work's combined, so it's nice that you can come away as a joint satisfaction with these other trades and feel like we've done a big job together, and then it gives you confidence for future jobs that you might want to recommend them. So definitely, meeting other trades and having a strong team around you. I'm a father of 2 young children, and my dad passed away quite young, so it would be nice for them to see me grow up to be old. There's so many bad chemicals and dust and everything, so it's important to have a clean, tidy workshop on the job site as well. We're always taking our extractors, and it's just a nice environment as well. You don't want to be working, rolling around in dust. If we were in clients' houses, they want to see they've got a nice, clean house. Clients buy into the Banks Carpentry brand itself because I am the face of the company. Obviously, I'm on social media quite a lot. Usually I speak to a client, it's almost like they know me already, so I still like to meet the clients and I want to know what they're about as well, getting their vision and creating it, and obviously just seeing their reaction of a finished job. I'm definitely a people person. I think I get that from my dad, of just having chats with people and just being kind. My dad was a big pusher of my business, and it was actually the start of this business actually taking off. And I found that when he passed away, I was straight into work because I loved work and it was good for me. But I did find that when I finished the job, and I was really proud, and it's quite emotional for me, but I actually felt like I had to go to my phone and call him and talk to him. When I started using Festool, I knew they were neat and tidy. It was all compact, like a whole system of how it worked. And I actually designed myself to be more like that. I can remember buying this sustainer, and I can remember turning up on jobs and people were like, what is that? Wow. That effect it had on other people, and obviously myself, because when I said pick this up, I knew that I wanted to do a good job. I was setting everything up. It was just, I was in the zone. That was the start of the passion. Using this system is a way of life, I'd say.